In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a user input multiplication table in C++. So first I will create a folder which I will name multiplication table. I will write the code in VS Code. This is one of the best IDE for coding. Now I will create a file called multiplicationtable.cpp. First I will write the basic structure of C++. First I will create an integer variable n. Then I will take the input from the user, so I will print enter the first number and store the input in the variable n. Now I will create a for loop. In initialization I will start with I equals to 1 and the condition will be I less than equals to 10 because we have to print the multiplication table up to 10 and update plus I. In cout we write cout variable n multiplication symbol I equals to n star I and endl. So now let's run the code. So here it says to enter a number. For example, I will write 5 and press enter. As you can see, the multiplication table of 5 has been printed. You will get the full code in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, then comment below. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe.